Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are here with the winning coach, Coach Renzi Bahar, and best player of the game, William Navarro. Coach, I'll start with you. In the first half, it seemed like some players were rattled by the moment. Kaya sabi mo nga, challenge nyo sila to dig deep and fight through it. In the second half, Aline, Cade, and of course William really stepped up in key moments. How important was their response in securing this hard-fought win?
First of all, we would like to thank the Lord for giving us this win. No? Yun lang, every time naman, like what I said a while ago, yung sa'yo, na every time na, every practice namin, china-challenge ni Coach Bonnie, especially the second group. Because going to the playoffs, Arvin, Josh, and even Kadim, okay, pinaghahandaan na yan ng team eh. So that's why we need everybody to be involved. Not only in the defense, but also in the offense. In the first half, siguro masyado kaming tight. At the same time, gusto namin kaagad na manalo in the first quarter pa lang. That's why, syempre, pinagandaan na yan. Ganda rin ng depensa ng Magnolia. Okay, so, kumbaga, number 1 defensive team sila for this conference. Eh. So, aware naman kami dun. That's why, on the second half, we adjust. And at the same time, kung ano yung binigay ng Magnolia sa amin ng first half, yun din yung binigay namin sa kanila ng second half, which is what? Yung hustle, energy, at the same time yung pressure defense din namin going to the second half. Kaya nakahabol kami on the third quarter.
Thank you, Coach Renzi. William, the coaches challenged you to step up in the second half, and you really came through in the third quarter, plus that crucial rebound in the fourth. What do you think sparked that surge, and how were you able to stay locked in during such a pivotal part of the game?
And honestly, it's not even about me. Like, it's about the team effort. So, yun, I'm just happy na everyone, like on the second half, like we shared the ball. So that's a key factor. And then, yung effort, everybody's effort, nakita sa court. So, yeah.
We now open the floor for questions from our friends from the press.
Coach, masasabi mo na your team survived yung late run ng Magnolia na parang does this prove na you are learning now to win games, close games this conference?
Yes, no. Yun nga, lagi namin sinasabi na this team is ready to win and ready to play lahat ng challenge na ipagbibigay sa amin. Like what happened these crucial minutes, nag-stick lang kami as a team. The same time, yung mga leaders namin doon sa loob ng court is, yun nga, nag-take charge, especially Arvin, even foul out siya. Kasi kwento ko lang, during 2 days ago before this game, talagang nag-ipon sila, may players meeting sila eh, na gusto talaga nilang kuhain on this day lang. Wag na namin paabutin next sa Saturday. So sila na rin, ginusto na lang din talaga nilang manalo. Kaya yun nangyari sa amin, this last minute.
William, pwede mo bang ikwento yung players meeting kung ano yung mga napag-usapan ninyo doon?
Yeah, basically, ano lang naman yun. Like, things that we can do in order to win. Yun lang, na-discuss namin na we have to play hard. Siyempre, playoffs. We have to give it our all. Diba? Hindi na pwedeng tipirin yung effort. So, yeah, basically, keys to winning this game. Yeah.
William, good evening. Just how do you see your first no, semifinals stint, no? Either against Meralco or Ginebra?
I'm happy for the franchise, syempre. First time ba?
In a long while.
In a while. Pero we still have more games. So, I mean, it's okay to be happy today, but the season's not over. So, we have to focus on our next game. We have to watch yung mananalo sa magiging kalaban namin. And then, yun, celebrate for today and then focus sa next game. Yeah.
Coach, of course, I know kakapanalo nyo lang, but how do you plan to manage yung long breaks? Kasi may Gilas, matagal pa yung semis. How do you plan to manage that?
Yes, no, siguro this win is a blessing for us talaga, no? Kasi right now we're just short-handed talaga eh. So during our practice na-injured pa si Dami plus si Sydney Onuvere yung last game namin against Blackwater. So luckily we won this game. Then yun nga, may makakabalik sila, hopefully na makabalik sila ng maayos going to the semifinals. Yun lang, celebrate lang namin tong game na itong panalo namin. Then from there, we move forward. We see kung sino man yung makakaharap namin sa semifinals. We're just ready for whatever na challenges na maibibigay sa amin.
May factor ba na parang mas determined kayo since relatively younger squad kayo coming into the playoffs? Parang factor ba yung age or parang may pinututunayan kayo coming into this playoff game?
Age, I don't know. Pero we have a chip on our shoulder na people don't even talk about Northport even we're number 1. So, I mean, underdog kami, no matter what happens, di ba? So, we're not satisfied here. We want more.
Thank you.